Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy.
Shh, be quiet.
And we are looking for the library.
This is the library.
Let's love sign. Library. Library. You sign. Library. Good. Library.
Hello.
Hello, Joe.
No.
I'm Hannah. And this is Sadie.
Hello, Hannah. Hello, Sadie. So this is the library.
Shh. People come here to read.
Sorry. Sorry. Wow! Look at all these books. I love books. All these books.
Yes, all these books are on the shelves. But look, these shelves are broken.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh. Now we're going to build the shelves.
Yay!
Look on your head. Does it go on your head? No.
Ah, thank you.
Whoa!
Get this here. Hold on.
Oh,
Bigger. Here. Oh, will you put this one up? Oh, this one too, please. Thank you. Yeah, this one too, please. Thank you.
Now all we need is a picture for the wall.
My second delivery. Wait here. Oh. A picture of a wall.
No, Joe, not a picture of a wall, a picture for a wall.
Ah, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Perfect. Now, let's sit down and read.
Yeah.